Oh my god. The amount of fucking crap that just came out of my nose, Jesus Christ. Please. Oh my god, these are so loud. It's like 4 in the morning. Okay, no more.